Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing, leaving comments. We love hearing who we should draw next, who you are fans of, all that fun stuff. So today we are going to draw Kylian Mbappe, a French professional football player. When I say football, I mean soccer player for those in the United States. But Mbappe is a forward for La Liga club, Real Madrid, captain of the French national team, regarded as one of the best players in the world, born in Paris, playing in the Olympics for France, and we are excited to draw Kylian Mbappe today. So let's get our dark marker, and we are going to find the center of our page up and down, the center of our page across, and we'll do Mbappe's head up top here. Get the pointed tip. All right, so we're gonna do the jawline. We're gonna go down, kind of straight. Angle into the chin, flat, angle up, straight up. So you can see it's real sharp. Mbappe's got this real sharp jawline, so we'll do a couple of ears, sideways ovals on the side of the head. We're gonna do a round bump on the side. Now we're gonna connect that with the round head. We'll just go up to the top and come down to connect. All right, so let's do the hairline. We'll do the hairline first. We'll go angle up, up, down, go straight across, up, down. We'll color that black at the end. We're gonna do a couple of sideways ovals for eyes. So right up here by the ear, there's one, and here's two sideways ovals. As you know, we do a circle on the inside of the eye. Those stay white. Those are the highlights of the eye. We'll do a small circle in the corner here and a arch on the bottom. Okay, all of those areas stay white for now. We're gonna fill this area in with our dark marker for our cartoon eye for Mbappe. If you'd like to see more soccer players or football players, whatever you want to call it, let us know in the comments who we should draw. We've done Erling Haaland, we've done several others, and today we're doing Mbappe. So let's do an arch over the eye, and a small arch over that eye. We'll come up on each side, and now we're going to connect to a point. So arch up and connect down to a point. Arch up and connect down to the point. And we'll fill this eyebrow in with our dark marker. And we're gonna do the nose next. So find the edge of the eye and come down and do a dot. The edge of the eye, come down and do a dot. That's gonna be the edge of our nose. We're gonna do a bump up, kind of like a sideways raindrop for nostrils. A couple of bumps for the nostril edges. Now we'll find the middle of the head, coming down, right below that nose. We'll do a dot. That'll be the lip. Come up and out, come up and out. So it's like a flying bird shape there. And we'll do the bottom lip there. And we'll do a top lip here, up and down. Cool. We'll do a chin mark and some whiskers, little scribble. Not too many. Mbappe's don't have a lot of facial hair, but just a little bit of a chin mark there. And then let's do the neck. We'll bring it straight down, and round out that neck by connecting with an arch. Shoulder, shoulder. Down to the sleeve, down with the sleeve. Up and down. Angle that sleeve down, up and down. All right, we'll do something different with the arms. So notice I didn't make the entire shirt. We're gonna bring this arm down, down, short, long, okay? And we're gonna bring this angle down to the waist, the elbow down to the wrist, down to the waist, the elbow down to the wrist, and as you can see, it starts wide and goes skinny toward the wrist. Bring this shirt down a little bit. These are his hands sitting on his waist. Like, hey, I just scored a goal. All right, we're gonna make a straight line for the bottom of the jersey. Bring the shorts out, down, in, down, straight across, and connect. So what he's gonna be doing, he's gonna put his foot on this soccer ball. We'll do a big soccer ball right here. Make a circle there. Bring the leg out, down, leg out, down, tongue of the shoe, 1, 2, 3, the heel. We'll have to do a smaller shoe today. Tongue of the shoe, 1, 2, 3, a little smaller foot. Come across to the heel area. This is kind of a harder drawing. This foot, to me, I didn't do a very good job, but hey, I'm just gonna leave it, because sometimes things aren't perfect, and that's okay. We'll do a line for the sock, a line for the sock there. Do a couple of stripes here. All right, so we got the Mbappe kind of blocked in here, and let's do a little soccer ball. We'll do an octagon. Do a line. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not an octagon, is that a hexagon? All right. So I'm just making these marks for the soccer ball. Best we can. We're kind of going fast here. So I apologize if you need to stop and pause. Please do so. This one's a little more challenging. Okay. That was a little challenging. I'm not gonna lie to you. This leg to me looks a little weird, but hey, I'm not perfect and none of us are. All right. So we are going to get our red, and we're gonna do an arch like that, down, across, and up, okay? Line, line, we'll fill this area in with red. His jersey is gonna be blue, like a dark blue, and we'll fill that in the fast forward, okay? And we'll make a gap. When I say gap, there's a space. Come down, all the way to the bottom. Fill in these side areas with red. All right, okay. So what we're gonna do now is I'm going to get the dark blue, like this, a dark blue, and I'm gonna fill in this entire jersey with dark blue, okay? I'm just outlining it. I'm just gonna outline this area too, so that we can start filling in the entire jersey with dark blue. See how that works? Use the wide side of that marker. Start filling in the jersey with blue all the way. We'll do the shorts blue as well. I like to outline the shape that I'm gonna color in the actual color. And we'll do socks blue. Let's do blue shoes. So I'm gonna do a bump, bump, bump. I'm gonna leave those shoelaces white and color in the rest of the shoe blue. My fun little short shoe over here. Not too happy about, but whatever. Okay, we'll color in this shoe, and we'll actually color in that stripe red just to add some fun. Okay, I'm not going to color everything right now, but what I wanted, and this will all be blue, but what I wanted to show you is I like to get a Prismacolor. Prismacolor. These are special colored pencils. You can find the link in the description of the video. You can order these on Amazon. They're awesome. They're high quality color pencils. I like to get the white Prismacolor when I have a dark area. And then I can color over something like this. I can say, put the sponsor. Qatar, I think it's Qatar. People say it different ways. There we go. So when you have a dark color, you can also come over the top of it in a white, and it shows up really easily. It's a good trick. So these are Prismacolors. Use the link in the description below. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get, really quick, I'm going to get this light blue. The light blue I like to fill in the eye, the bottom area of the eye with a light blue. I like to say that's the reflection of the sky or the stadium lights off the eye. And we will do flesh color now for the face, flesh color for the arms and legs, blue shorts. We'll fill in the soccer ball, hair, and that will be our Mbappe character. We appreciate you guys for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Let us know in the comments who we should draw next, and we will try to respond as quickly as possible. Fast forward now.